If you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the button subscribe. So today it looks like very good weather to go to Tintamare. It's an island not far away from the coast of St.Martin, but it's actually a part of St.Martin. I think it's a 2-hour motor sail because there's no wind today, and I am expecting a beautiful beach and a beautiful island to swim and snorkel in. Don't forget to subscribe. Me in the 62 and the 77.
There wasn't a lot of wind, so we prepared the Code Zero. It was only a short trip along the coast and around the northern tip of St. Martin, and we eventually didn't use our Code Zero.
We got a new family member. Spade. Lower. Yes. My name is Sven and I'm the captain of Noma.
And where are you?
I'm in
Tintamare.
Tintamare, a small island just off the coast of St. Martin. Look, there's a lot of Americans here.
Yes, we're definitely not alone. Hello guys.
Hello. Hi.
Are you going swimming?
Yes.
It was Sunday, so we prepared a little brunch like we do almost every Sunday. We had a relaxing day and enjoyed the beautiful sunset in the evening. The next day, Sven and the kids paddled to the beach to go and explore. The island of Tintamare, also known as Flat Island, covers an area of 250 acres. Today nobody lives or works on the island, but there are a few clues that remain of its glorious past. This crashed plane is the reminder of the time that Tintamare was the base for a former airline company that flew planes from the island's 1,600-foot dirt track runway. After a few accidents, the airport closed down in 1952. Sven and the boys also discovered the remains of a railroad and some small wagons that are a reminder of the mining of limestone rock in the early 1900s. At that time, around 150 people lived on the island. They cultivated the island for cotton, did some sheep farming and made butter and cheese. Some of the ruins of Tintamare's past inhabitants are still visible, but today it's a deserted tropical paradise island with sandy white beaches, beautiful greenery and a wonderful underwater world. After a long weekend, we moved on to explore some other places along the coast of St. Martin. We anchored at Orion Bay for a night. Here are Sven and the kids checking on the anchor before sunset. Some of the bays here can be a bit tricky to get in or out. Liam and Sky were going to plant the flower that we bought and the pepper seeds that we sprouted a few days ago.
Now just do very, very, very much soil. Yes, 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 you're doing it. Come on, come on. Put it in, put it in, put it in.
It needs to go a little bit deeper maybe. We're also going to try and grow radishes. Make sure to check out our future videos to see the progress.
We lost some bearing balls from these carts, from the lowest cart. When we were sailing, that cart popped out and some bearing balls fell out and we lost them in sea. So today I'm going to go up the mast a little bit. I tried to take out, and I will show you if I can, how to replace the bearing balls on the cart. So now this is full and balls is to be going here, huh? I think. I don't know how many balls. I suppose full. Now we have to find a way to block them so they don't fall out. Maybe one less. One less. I pulled on the reef 2 and reef 3, so they support now the boom. Okay, let me explain you how to do it. If you want to take off the last car. So this is a piece that's holding the rail. It's a rail. This is the rail. And this rail can slide up and down. So when this piece is in, you have to turn these two nuts all the way up like that. And then you have to block the rail so that the rail does not slide down. I blocked it with a screwdriver. Careful not to damage it because it's aluminium. And then now it's blocked. Then you can take this pin out. After that you take off the pin from the gooseneck. And then you can slide out the car. Then we fill the car with balls. I did a straw hack to hold them in place. You can see that in the picture. And then we managed to get the car in again. So now I'm going to first replace this piece. After that, the pin back in with the gooseneck and the boom. And then it's all finished.
We ran out of gas for the stove, so it's a good thing we have this hot plate that we can use to cook on as a backup. Sven prepared a stir-fried noodle dish. It's a bit messy on the plate, but so much fun and super delicious.
It's delicious. Very much. Bon appetit.
Back in Marigot Bay, we had a few wonderful days without even a breath of wind. The water was so calm and clear that we could see the turtles swimming from the boat or while riding the dinghy. We could even spot the starfish on the bottom. We hope you enjoyed our video and we'll see you again next week for some more fun in St. Martin. As you might already know, you can buy us a virtual drink to show your appreciation for the work we put into our videos. You can find the link in the description.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to like our video and leave a comment.